Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add profile picture in Hostinger webmail. Now you cannot do it directly from the Hostinger or from this section Hostinger webmail. You just need to attach your Hostinger webmail or business email to the Google account. Now how you can do it, just go to the browser, like any of your browser, you can choose it and just click on this profile icon. If you have already logged in your email, and if you have do not already have logged in, so just click on this sign in option. You will see a sign in option, so just click on add account, and from this option just click on the create account button. And for my personal use, just to choose this option and write down your name. Now let's say I write down my name, John, and you can just click on next, and they will ask you to enter the details. So just enter the details whatever you want. Make sure to enter the all the same details that you have entered into this Hostinger email address. So make sure to choose the same details and gender as well, and just click on next. And after that they will ask you to choose the email address, like if you want to create a new one. But in our case we are not going to create new email, so just click on use your existing email. And once you click on this option, so they will ask you to enter the email address. Now just go to the Hostinger into this email section and copy the email address from the section that you have. Like make sure to enter the business email or personal email, whatever email you have, just copy the email and paste into this section. And once you paste into this section, just click on next, and you just need to create the password and your email will be created and you will be logged in through this option. And once you're logged in, just click on this profile button, and from that you can just click on this camera button, which is change profile picture. Just click on this option, and once you click on this option you can just click on change, and you can just choose from this section. Otherwise, go to my computer, upload it, select the image, whatever image do you want to select, and once the image is selected you can just choose it and your picture will be changed. And that is a simple and easy process of how you can change Hostinger webmail profile picture. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.